Oh, to be touched and have soft, supple skin. But one day you're looking in the mirror and you noticed what you call crepey or creepy skin or saggy skin around your jaw lines or maybe around your eyes. And you're like, wait, oh my goodness, and I step back and you look and you say, well, how can this be me? And you start wondering, you start getting frustrated, so you don't feel confident, so you're hiding your neck, you're hiding your shoulders, you're hiding your arms. Ladies have said they've reported even, where they've started feeling depressed and so frustrated that they broke out in tears. And this can be publicly even humiliating, and people talking about when you're wearing a skirt and they call you, crinkled knees and old lady hands. And one lady said, well, I just was typing on the laptop and I noticed my hands. I'm like, whose hands are those? Those aren't my hands. Those are old lady hands. And, I just figured, well, I've got to go to the doctor, or I've got to spend thousands of dollars on treatments, she said. And, I got to get this crepey skin stopped and work on this to where maybe I may get 5 or 10 years back, And the thing is, what if I could tell you that one day you could be looking in the mirror and not too far from now, you'll have firmer skin. Have firmer skin around the eyes, around the chin, even your necks. Have those supple shoulders back and those arms, or maybe be able to wear that skirt again and spin around and have those firm, sexy thighs. Or even better, you can finally go out on the town and wear that halter sunflower dress you've been wanting to wear because you have that glowing, firm skin and that beautiful neckline and those sexy shoulders, and you have just a flirty confident enough to where you can be able to enjoy yourself and hold a glass and toast and lift up to joy because you don't no longer have those crepey underarms or saggy skin. Hi, my name is Traci Kokendorfer, and I wanted to make this presentation because I know this is one of the big issues with us regarding the crepey skin. You might have seen me on television shows like, for example, Dayton 24/7 Now or Fox 45, where I've appeared as a guest and talked about health and fitness goals and ask questions. And, a lot of people say, well, what can we do, or how can we change this, or what can we do to change this, and what can we do to fix crepey skin? And I say, well, that's a good question, and it's on a lot of people's mind. But I always say the one thing as good as you need to start with a very good exercise and diet routine. A good diet and exercise routine to get started. Another thing I say is you need to stop moisturizing. Yes, I said it. Stop moisturizing. And you're probably like, huh? What? Yeah, well, I'm not kidding. No, I'm not kidding. You're laughing, right? But anyways, I'm not kidding. There's kind of called tools. It's where water passes through this body and that layer of that skin. And that epidermal layer surrounding that atmosphere diffuses, or it has an evaporation process. Here's an actual visual of an actual skin area that's losing that water, and you can tell it is actually getting crinkly and wrinkly and crepey, as you would call it. And you're like, wow, right? And there's one thing. So now, what can we do to change this? And I say, well, the worst thing you need to do is you need to really start hydrating. Yes, hydration is a key to this. Hydration is a big part of this because you don't want to hold in, you want to actually replace and replenish. So one of the ingredients that is really good for this is that is in formula, and our formula is an ingredient that is called hyaluronic acid. And hyaluronic acid, it helps with that issue of tools. It hydrates and improves that crepey skin and plumps and firms and makes it look younger. And studies has actually, there have been clinical trials at Cleveland Clinic which have stated that skin products with hyaluronic acid are most frequently used to treat wrinkles and help with skin hydration and firmness. But I didn't want to just go there. I wanted to add some more stuff because it needed more. So I said, let's go aloe vera. Aloe vera moisturizes and detoxifies. It makes and regenerates and repairs that connective layer. Plus, you got green tea. It's rich in antioxidants. It smooths irritating skin and delays that skin anti-aging. Vitamin E keeps the skin firm and smooth, and even make that beautiful skin tone that we're talking about. But this is really called cameo. It helps provide the sensitive skin and inflammatory and moisturizes and cure our actual shown results of how it could do to your neck, what it could do to your legs, and you can finally rest assured and start enjoying and sitting by the pool and having conversations and showing off those sexy legs and sexy hands, sexy arms, reaching up and being able to wear those gorgeous yoga tops and fitness tops and racer back tops and lifting up your arms, just stretching them out and not seeing that saggy, creepy skin underneath your arms, and being able to be grateful and thankful and enjoy and that youthful glow and look anymore. I want to introduce you to my new hand and body hydration lotion. And this is going to really, really change your life. Go now and shop and get it.